You asked, how to divide 6,484 by 4 using the long division method. 6 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2. Bring down 4, making 24. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. 6 times 4 equals 24. 24 minus 24 equals 0. Bring down 8, making 8. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down 4, making 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. 4 minus 4 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 1621.